Right? Yeah, sounds lovely, doesn't it just?
Tell me, will you really think it's more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come I'm eating everything that's edible.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mos. As you already know, I cook on this channel. Now on the menu for you guys today, I'm gonna be making you a roulette. Now I'm gonna be stuffing that roulette with I think it's called mortadella, if I'm not wrong, if I'm correct. I don't know. Mortadella and some sausages. So stay tuned, see how that goes. But before we go anywhere, I need you guys to smash that subscribe button. Do it, it's free. I don't know why you guys don't do it, like it just doesn't make sense. 80% of you now, 87 to be precise, 87% of you who watch these videos are not subscribed. So please click that red button, it means a lot to me. Thank you very much. More importantly, at the end of the video, I need you guys to drop me one of these. Drop me a like guys. Okay, so let's get a video going. What you want to do, get your baking tray, get your puff pastry rolled. Okay, I've got it rolled up already, so I'm not bothering to make one of these. And you just want to gently try and open it without cracking, I guess. See if we can use a knife to help us unroll it. Why is this all wobbly? Yeah, maybe we should have left it at room temperature. I just got this. I'm gonna let it cool down a little bit, or we'll get to room temperature and then I'll be back. Right, so I just put this in a microwave for about 30 seconds just to warm it up. And guess what? It looks like it done a good job. Wouldn't you say so? It's still a little bit cold in the middle here. But, oh boy, what's going on here, mate? What's going on? Right, so here's what you're gonna do. Yeah, I don't know about how that's gonna look, but there you go. So, what I'm gonna do is get some sauce, pure ketchup, right? Yeah, sounds lovely, doesn't it just? Yeah, come on, should have got some ketchup whilst I was out. Right. Now what you want to do is get a bit of mayo. Obviously you need to open up the lid first. It's a fresh one. I've got some mayo. Yeah. Then you want to get like a spoon just to do that. Yeah. I don't think this is going to mess me up, to be honest with you, but there you go. Now, what you want to try and do is get your cheese pizza. Yeah. Stick it on there. Alright. Then I've got a bit of cheddar cheese as well. Right. Just simply so add that on. Okay. Then you want to get your mortadella slices, bang it on there and on there. Actually bring it a little bit closer so it's you want to get a good chunk of mortadella on there. Alright. Yeah. I think I'm going to leave it at that. I'm going to leave that bit out, guys, so ignore that part. Okay. Then I got two of these big bad boy sausages. I don't know if it's all going to fit or not. If it doesn't fit, I may have to cut it. Yeah. So where are we looking at? So right there. Cut that out of the way. get that in there. Actually cut it a little bit more because we need it to all fit in snug like so. Right, what you want to do now, oh boy, is roll it if we can. Are you guys watching this? Okay, now where's the knife? I'm gonna chop this off and I'm gonna take this bit away, okay? Or I might just use it for myself later on, off camera. Am I able to move this? Should be able to, right? Or not? Never mind, I'll just take this off completely. This can go on a plate or something else. Right, that's that, okay? Now, you got your egg, and you got that. Just roll it up, push it down, right? Dip that in there in the oil thing. The oil, what am I talking about? The egg. My God, this is such a rush video, guys. This is, ugh. Yeah, this is what I'm not happy about. So there's that, okay. Make sure you get it all over the place. The egg yolk, yeah. Get it all nice and eggy. Eggy, eggy, eggy. You know what I mean, love? You know what I mean, love? Yeah. Get it all in there. Make it all cushy and that. Right? There you are. So now, I'm gonna put some paprika on the top. There you are. Lovely jubbly. Now, simple as that. Leave it as it is. Just try and get rid of these bits and not put it in the thing. Put this bad boy in the oven for about 25 minutes at 180, right? Leave it in there for 25 minutes and then we'll come pick up on it. Have a look at that. Yeah, okay, ignore that one. That wasn't supposed to be the main one. Okay, that's hot. Yeah. Funny enough, this turned out to be what I wanted to compared to that, because this wasn't what I was expecting, guys. Yeah. What can I say? I'm just gonna take this out of the frame. Yeah. Although it looks a lot better than the original. This is just gone all over the place, mate. What's going on, son? What's going on? Right. So what I'm gonna do, oh boy. At least it's crispy. So here's what you wanna do. You wanna grab it, because it's hot, duh. I don't know, guys. Be patient with me. Okay. Get rid of that. Honestly, this was supposed to come out as a roll. It's a whole big mess, this is. Okay. I'm just gonna wing it. It's not supposed to be like this, but there you go. Ow. It is hot, so I do apologise if you hear me screaming like a little girl. So earlier on I brought this because obviously you can just have it with that and stuff, but I don't know guys. Give it out. Just like so. One more. It does taste good. Just presentation wise doesn't look so good, I'm sorry. That is your roulette with, well, it's basically supposed to be a roulette stuffed with mortadella and sausage. So yeah, enjoy, bon appetit, share, like, comment and subscribe. Make sure you drop me a like.
Tell me, will you really think it's more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come